Hey everyone, the rib tool is a useful command when adding support features to your model. First, let's create a plane that lies where the rib will be created. Now let's create a sketch. The only geometry needed for using the rib tool is a line. This line does not have to touch the model at all. However, make sure the extent of this line intersects with the solid that we're creating the rib on. Now let's choose the rib command. Notice that the sketch line is automatically selected for the rib tool, shown in green. You have two options when creating a rib: normal to sketch plane or parallel to sketch plane. Normal to sketch plane creates what is usually called a web, while parallel to sketch plane creates material that is extruded planar to the sketch. For each selection, you have an option for a to-next or a finite type of rib. The to-next command terminates the rib or web on the next face. The finite option sets a specific distance for the rib or web termination. Keep in mind you always can go back to edit the sketch. Just make sure after you edit it that the extents of the lines will still remain in contact with the body. Note that the sketch must at least be in contact with each other for the command to execute properly. Now when we go to edit the rib, we can select the new sketch that was created to update the tool. If you want to make multiple copies of this rib, you can always use the rectangular pattern tool. Just select the face normal to the direction you want to pattern, and then set the quantity. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.